Hey there muscle car fans, thanks again for tuning in to Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance videos. Today we got something special for you in the form of this 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Custom with the big window version, which makes it a pretty rare truck. The truck has been completely restored inside and out. The underside of the car is just as beautiful as the outside, and of course, very important, it's equipped with a fresh 454 monster big block and an automatic transmission. The car is also equipped with four-wheel disc brakes. It's got, of course, power steering and a custom interior. If you go to our website, www.pttmcars.com, you will find all the information on the car, all the details, many pictures. But today we're just going to show you a little drive around so you see how it runs and how it looks outside. The color on the car is just stunning. The paint is also very high quality. And all in all, I can say this is one amazing truck, as you will see on the video in a minute.